Namaste everyone, Lindsay Nova here. We're going to begin our advanced aerial yoga sequence. So take the hammock in front of you, grab the poles of the fabric, step your foot into the center loop, and come all the way up to a flying mountain pose inside your hammock. Cross the hammock so that it forms a lock at your ankle. And then press your shoulders into the fabric and bring one leg up so the foot is above the knee into Vrikshasana, tree pose. Hands at your heart, flying tree. Then you can grab your big toe and extend it out. Standing leg extension. You can reach that other arm out nice and wide. Smile. And then we're going to roll ourselves out and around, push the fabric down the leg and roll back into the center of the fabric. You can pose here, extending the leg, maybe reach for the foot, stretch it out into a split. Stay balanced, and then you'll unroll once, and then reach for the fabric behind you, unroll twice. Take a moment, breathing in. Exhale down, genie in a bottle. Make a figure 4 with your legs. Press your shoulders into the fabric. Sink down. Anjali Mudra with the hands. Now we're going to go upside down. So hold on tight by the shoulders with your hands. Kick the foot in the fabric out. And then bend the other knee into your chest as you lean back. You can extend the leg for a split if you want. And then come back down into the crouched position. Step down to the floor, releasing. And then let's turn around and put our backpack on for a nice little inversion sequence here. We'll go upside down, straddle the legs open, hook the feet into your butterfly position. Exhale, press yourself up, and then straddle the legs open, come into the star. Balance for a moment, point through the toes. Now take both hands to one side of the fabric, and you're going to roll yourself down into inverted pigeon. Change sides. And we'll go through that again. Hook the feet into your frog. Bend the knees so the knees hook. Spread the legs open wide. Balance in your star when you come all the way up. Take your hands to one side, tuck and roll. As the knee hooks over both fabrics, the other leg extends straight back into your inverted pigeon. And then you can keep your arms out wide to bring your feet down to the floor as the head comes up into a chair. And then fly forward and back a few times. Inhaling and exhaling, just letting this feel good. Coming all the way up, turn around, and we'll go the other side. Place your other foot in the hammock. Make sure you cross the fabric down at the ankle so you make the lock. Reach your arms out wide, balance for a moment, point through the toes. And flying tree pose, bring the foot above the knee, balance. And then reaching the leg out to the side, Uttita Hasta Padangustasana. Standing leg extension, find your balance in the air. And then you want to hold the pole of the fabric that your foot is locked into, lean away, push the fabric down the ankle. You can roll once, you can roll twice, posing here like Peter Pan in the air. Extending the leg, maybe taking a split, reaching out. And then unroll once. Grab the fabric and come back around one more time. And sit down, genie in a bottle. Stack the shoulders right over the hips, engage your core. And then grab by the shoulders, lean back, push the fabric out. Maybe extend the leg for an inverted split. And then coming back down to your crouched position, hold on. And step down one foot at a time. Releasing the fabric. Standing back into Tadasana, hands at the heart. Thanking yourself for this fun practice.